Alrighty. So I hope this goes well. Because I guess just got road rash on my rims. Okay. Alright. So I was saying that Gino was an homage to Gianni. Some people call him Johnny. Some people call him Gino. Alright. So this is the block that I live in. Right across the street from this sign right here that says Lomas Park. Okay. And this is the famous or infamous Clevelander Hotel and restaurant. Believe it or not, I shouldn't say believe it or not, but right in the back of those windows over there, there used to be an old nursing home where I would walk in there and you would have doctors there treating the aged. So this just shows how much it's changed. I'm trying to get the attention of these people so they can go across the street. Alright. A lot of stars have interest here. I'm going to call them out. Paris Hilton. Passing a few places. One is called Mangoes. It's good that we can see these places during the day. Because during Sunday I used to call this the crawl. For these 10 blocks. It would take me roughly 40 minutes to drive these 10 blocks. So here's another Gloria Estefan. There's another place over here called Lauderdale. So this is Gloria Estefan, another restaurant. I'm trying not to call celebrities' names, but this News Cafe was a very popular spot. In fact, that's the last place that Gianni Versace got his breakfast before this infamous situation. It was a nice place that I would go for breakfast. They always had good fruit bowls. Wet Willies. And you can see, not only do they have a shot spotter, they have security cameras. Okay. You've seen a lot of these hotels and movies. This is one of the infamous photo shots that they have of Miami Beach, this Beacon Hotel. And being that we are on 7th, that means that Wet Willie's and Cafe is on 8th. Okay, so normally you would see a lot of high-end automobiles. And we're going to be coming up on 5th Street again. So this time, for what used to take maybe 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes on a Sunday in the afternoon, we've covered probably within minutes, 5 minutes. Dennis Rodman had an infamous event at this hotel here. So I'll leave that alone. Okay. Fridays. So this is one of the commercial. And as we look south, benefit of the doubt. Go ahead. Yes. Okay, I'm going to stop for now.